In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a stunning real estate video using Sora 2. Whether you're a real estate agent or a videography enthusiast looking to create high quality content, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process so you can capture those breathtaking visuals and make your listings shine. To start, you'll want to set the visual tone by entering a prompt that outlines what you want your video to look like. For this video, a great example prompt might be something like ultra realistic cinematic video of a modern luxury house exterior, drone shot, golden hour lighting, 4K smooth motion. With this, you're creating a vivid picture of what you have in mind. Think about the beautiful exterior of a luxury home bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun. The language and details in your prompt are crucial as they help the AI understand your vision. Next, let's add some interior shots to ensure your video isn't just all about the exterior. You can input a prompt such as wide interior living room shot, soft natural light, realistic reflections, handheld camera. The aim here is to create an inviting atmosphere that highlights the spaciousness and features of the living areas. By specifying the lighting and camera style, you ensure that the internal views are as compelling as the external ones, capturing realistic light and reflection that adds depth to your video. Now, including people in the shot can bring a relatable and lively aspect to your video. This step is optional but highly recommended if your video aims to showcase how the space can be used. You could add a sentence like, real estate agent giving a tour, natural gestures, smiling. This inclusion can make the property feel more welcoming and lived in, which helps potential buyers envision themselves in the space. Once you've compiled your footage, it's time to edit. This involves combining the different clips you have gathered. During the editing process, you can begin to see your vision come alive. Don't skip on color grading. It helps to enhance your video's aesthetic and create a mood that is consistent throughout the video. Adding background music can further enhance the emotional appeal, while text labels are essential for conveying important information, such as price and location, which can prompt a viewer's decision-making process. These little touches can make a huge difference in maintaining viewer interest. Finally, when you're ready to export your completed video, to maintain a professional level of quality, ensure you export it in 4K at 60 frames per second. This gives your video a smooth and clear finish that looks polished on every screen, from smartphones to large displays. Once all these steps are completed, click Generate to bring your project together. And there you have it, a beautiful professional real estate video using Sora 2. I hope this guide helps you create videos that truly stand out and captivate your audience. Thanks for watching.